Hello, my name is Sameer Singh, and I'm a technical marketing engineer in the NetSec team at Cisco. In this video, we will look at how to migrate site-to-site and remote access VPN configuration from Fortinet Firewall to Cisco Secure Firewall. Now, prerequisites for policy-based VPN needs FMC and FTD to be 6.6 or later. For route-based VPN, FMC and FTD should be 6.7 or later, and FTD should be added to FMC. The tool will migrate VPN tunnels as point-to-point network topology. The trust point should be manually migrated to FMC as PKI objects as part of the pre-migration activity. Prerequisites for RAVPN include that FMC should be 7.2 and FTD should be version 7.2 or above, and FTD should be added to FMC. The trust point should be manually migrated to FMC as PKI objects and upload the required AnyConnect images as part of the pre-migration activity. Currently, it will only support migration if SSL VPN is deployed in tunnel mode and IPsec RAVPN is configured in IKE v2 mode. We begin by logging into the tool and select Fortinet from the list of firewalls. Click on Next and upload the source config to the tool. The tool parses the configuration and displays the number of site-to-site VPN tunnels and remote access VPN tunnels present in the configuration. Click on Next and enter the FMC details so the tool can connect to it and select the target FTD from the list of available FTD. The migration tool displays your site-to-site VPN features under device configuration. Select policy-based or route-based based on your requirement. The migration tool displays your remote access VPN feature under shared configuration. Select SSL VPN or both IPsec VPN and SSL VPN. Now here, for IPsec RAVPN, pre-shared key and certificate-based authentication are currently not supported. Proceed and start the conversion. The pre-migration report contains information of the number of site-to-site VPN and RAVPN tunnels that are available in the config. The report also shows the list of policies with deprecated TH groups used for users to review and make changes in the FMC. Next, map the interfaces from source firewall to target FTD along with the mapped naming. Validate and then create the security zones mapped to the Fortinet interface using the auto create option. In the review and validate page, navigate to the site-to-site VPN tunnels tab. This tab provides the list of tunnels with the source interface on the device, remote peer, policy name, and the protected networks for the tunnel. The tool provides the option to add pre-shared key against each VPN tunnel. In the remote access VPN section, all objects corresponding to remote access VPN that are migrated from Fortinet firewall to the management center are displayed. Under policy assignment, validate your connection profiles, their VPN protocols, targeted device, and names of the VPN interfaces. Under IKE v2, validate your IKE v2 protocol configuration if there are any, and the source interface mapped with them. AnyConnect packages and AnyConnect profiles uploaded as part of the pre-migration activity to the FMC should be retrieved from the source device and must be available for migration. You can upload AnyConnect profiles directly to the management center or from the migration tool. You can also select pre-existing AnyConnect host CAN or external browser packages retrieved from the management center. Failure to update will be marked as incomplete and the Secure Firewall migration tool does not proceed with validation. Address pool will display all the IPv4 and IPv6 pools that are part of the configuration. Group policy shows the group policies with client profiles, management profiles, client modules, and group policies without profiles. Connection profile shows all the connection profiles or tunnel groups that are present in the configuration. Trust points or PKI objects migration from Fortinet to management center is part of the pre-migration activity and is required for successful migration of RAVPN. Map the trust point for global SSL, IQVDO, and interface in the remote access interface section to proceed with the next step of migration. If a SAML object exists, trust points for SAML identity provider and service provider can be mapped in the SAML section. Once completed, click on Validate. It will review the existing objects on FMC and compare those objects which are being migrated, and if there is any conflict, it will resolve them in the tool itself. Then push the configuration onto the FMC. Review the post-migration report that is available to download and verify that the migrated VPN objects are present. And the same can be validated on FMC by logging onto the device and verifying the site-to-site as well as RAVPN configuration with the right settings configured on them. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope this was useful and thank you.